It's Fortune Frankly and welcome to Fortune Frankly Fridays, where we do DIY home decor and sometimes room makeovers. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you 3 5-minute crafts that you can do with picture frames. And to make sure this video is 5 minutes or less, let's get into these projects. For project number 1, we're going to be making a mini chalkboard frame. For this project, you'll need a frame, chalkboard paint, and some chalk. Now, taking apart this frame, I'm just going to go outside and spray the glass with some chalkboard paint. And after letting it dry, I'm literally going to just reassemble that picture frame. Now, of course, the drying time here took more than 5 minutes. It took more like 30 minutes. But we're not going to include that in this 5-minute craft tutorial. It's cheating. And there you have it, your own chalkboard frame. For the second project, we're going to be making a frame for a hanging type of eucalyptus plant. Now, I did make a succulent frame in a video that I'll leave linked up here. This is kind of different from that in that we're not filling the whole frame up. So for this project, you'll need a picture frame, faux plants of your choice, and some jute cord. Now we're just going to disassemble this frame like we did the last one, but I'm not going to use anything that went inside the frame for this project. We'll just be using the frame itself. And taking this faux plant, I realized I could just wrap the stem around the frame since it is wire. But I did tie this little piece of jute cord at the top so I have a way to hang it and to give it a little more of a rustic kind of vibe. And there you have it. For this third and final project, we'll actually be using the inside of the picture frame for the previous project. And we'll just be making a little board with a saying. For this project, you'll need the inside glass from the picture frame, contact paper, and some letters. Taking that glass, we're going to lay some contact paper over it. I'm just going to kind of cut it out a little roughly before removing the back and sticking it onto that glass. Now, you may have seen this contact paper in another video of mine where it did not work out. I tried and failed to put that contact paper on. I've since tried contact paper again and it worked out much better. So I'm just gonna say it was this contact paper that was giving me a headache. But I'm just gonna cut out a square or a rectangle really in this case, you know, geometry. And I'm gonna stick it onto the glass, making sure that it overlaps the edges a little bit. Once the contact paper is smoothed out, I'm just going to cut off the excess on all the sides. Now I'm going to use these letters to write a cute saying. Now these are rub-on transfer letters from the Dollar Tree. You just cut out the letters, put them on the surface that you want to transfer them onto, and then you just scratch on them like you're playing a scratch off card and you're about to win $1 million. We know that's not gonna happen. But it's 2020, so anything can really happen. And once you're ready, peel back that paper and the letters are there. Rise and shine. All right, welcome back. I'm trying to think of my favorite project. I would say it's that chalkboard because I really like chalkboards. I feel like if I could have a whole wall as a chalkboard someday, I might do that. And then hire someone to like draw on it because I can't really draw. But please let me know which one was your favorite in the comments below. I would love to hear that. If you're feeling lucky, you can go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, do all the things. And if you're not feeling lucky, I'm so sorry, but I hope to see you again in the near future. I do hope everyone is staying safe out there and wearing masks when you go out. Also, a reminder that Black Lives Matter and that we still need justice for people like Breonna Taylor, George Floyd, Ahmaud Arbery, and as of late, Jacob Blake. If you'd like to learn more about the Black Lives Matter movement, I've linked my syllabus down below. And as always, thanks for watching.